Hi Tim, this is Lori Muir at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. I'd like to thank you for your internet inquiry on the 2014 Santa Fe. This one happens to be a limited edition. I also have a couple on my pre-owned in my pre-owned inventory that are certified pre-owned 14s. This particular one I've pulled around is a 15 model. Come on in and take a closer look. Stylish, fluidic design. Diamond flakes in the paint. Come on around and look at this interior space. This is the GLS model with the 7-passenger seating. Plenty of room for all your passengers. Come around to the front. This has a keyless push button to start, keyless entry. It's going to have your backup camera. It's going to have dual climate control. Hyundai Blue Link, which is going to keep you safe. Anytime you need roadside assistance, touch of a button, get you a live operator. Emergency services, remote guidance package. This links to home link to your garage doors. You've got push button screen for your radio and Bluetooth controls. You can control the phone right through the Bluetooth. Hands-free to talk on the wheel. Just tell it what you'd like to do. It'll even tune to your radio station for you, just with your by you telling it which channel to tune to. You've selected an awesome vehicle in the Santa Fe. It comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty. It comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But when you buy from Tameron, we're going to double that to 20 years and 200,000 miles. That's just at Tameron. That warranty is good anywhere in the country you want to take it to. Any certified mechanic. Doesn't even have to be a Hyundai dealer. That's what Tameron does for our owners. I look forward to meeting you. Please give me a call at 380-6250. That's Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama on Highway 31. Just across the street from the Wells Fargo and right next to the Burlington Coat Factory. I look forward to meeting you.